Sponsor! Ayan, Pau, tara Pau.
Okay, final ring, iya. Naka-awake to sa inyong mga senses.
Wala akong lingkuran eh.
Atong club is
Ako ni ga-upload YouTube.
our club is also to make
Upload ko ni YouTube.
enjoyment and have fun. And learning is not only about knowledge, but it's also having fun. So basically, visit our visitors now. Just be friendly to each other and do what you like.
Makita rin mo sa mga officers o sa mga kauban ng members, recognize nila po nila na
Also, hope na this club will kita maganda mag-uban for 1 year.
Yes.
So muna kayo ng kaong, but hopefully kasi kasi mga ano, yung mga friends. And, or maybe, ibo kang mauyab. Or sa ba? Wala ka na tulog. So to move for the next agenda, upcoming events. So what are these upcoming events? These events is basically acquaintance, party, and the inductions of officers, and moral tutorials, and troubleshooting, and outreach and seminars. So,
Aside from sa mga activities sa university that round sa Morso, especially sa Morso, isang university recognized student organization. Actually, as of now, hindi pa na recognized as student organization. This Friday pang final deadline, that's why natay yung mga officers karon para magliyog sa mga papeles para ma-recognize ka, para ma-appeal ka karong Morso karong February of next year. Ang Morso is contest na siya sa mga organizations. Sa dagat organizations diri sa MU more than